Want to know how to sign in to MoonPay? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your MoonPay application. So we have also created a video on how to install MoonPay on your Android or iPhone, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you've done all of that, you should be provided with this screen right here once you've opened up the app. So signing in is pretty simple. So we have also created a video on how to register. If you don't know how to, you can watch that as well. So just simply select continue first up right here. That's right below and the MoonPay description. And here, if you had previously registered with email, just simply type in your email address. Or if you had just signed in with Google, just simply select Google. And you can just simply sign it to your Google account just like that in just a few clicks. And that's it. Super simple and easy. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.